What's the meaning of cottage industry? Cottage industry. Cottage industry.
Cottage industry. Cottage industry. Cottage industry refers to a type of business where goods are produced by individuals or small groups, typically working from their homes. This term originated during the Industrial Revolution, when many people left farm work to work in factories. However, some people continued to work in their homes, producing goods like textiles and candles. Cottage industries often involve simple tools and equipment, and the work is usually done by hand. Today, cottage industry businesses still exist in many parts of the world, and they can provide valuable income for people who work from home.